Hi everyone, this is Amy. Welcome today to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a painting design of a flower on this piece of ceramic tile. I will be using mostly FolkArt brushes, one stroke brushes. I'll be using a number 16 flat brush, a fan brush, which is a 1.27, a 1/2 inch Scruffy brush, a number 6 flat brush, and a number 8 round brush, along with one of my fine liners, which is an ArtDone number, it's 25 millimeters is the fine liner. It's actually a nail brush. And then the paint I'm using today is Lagoon, Aqua, Wicker White, Bumblee Yellow, Patina, Teddy Bear Brown, Lime Green, Autumn Leaves, and Thicket. And I believe all of these are multi-surface paints today. And here is my palette that I will be using. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Now I like to start by doing my centers. Well, actually typically I do the centers first. Yeah, I'm going to do that this time too, now that I'm thinking about it. Alright, so I'm going to dip the front into the brown, back end of the brush into the yellow, and then I do just tap it onto my palette just to kind of mix it in. And if I need more as I'm going, I just continue to tap it in. And I'm just pushing down and creating kind of a circle. Doesn't have to be perfect. And if you want to work on this more and make it more of what you want it to look like, if you want it to be perfect, continue to do so. I'm just going to tap it in and let it be for now because I will be going back over it. Then I'm going to pick up that number 6 flat brush, or actually backtrack here. I'm going to pick up the liner brush first because I'm going to dip it into the autumn leaves. I just kind of roll it around, pull it out, and then what I'm going to do is just come around this flower and do some pulls around it, because I'm actually just going to do some light leaves around this, kind of just to fill it in. And I just thought I would do something different to create some leaves around the actual flower, and I'm just doing a single flower. Then I'll go to the number 6 flat brush. And I'm just going to coat it. You can add a little bit of white into it and just kind of mix it in just to make it a little bit thicker. But I'm not doing like a one stroke, half the bristle kind of thing. I'm just adding this in to give it a little bit more opaqueness when I put it on the tile. And when I do this, I'm not doing this to be able to use this tile as a decoration. I'm just painting on this surface because it's easy to clean and I can use it again. So I'm just pushing it down and pulling it back up. Pushing it down, pulling it back up. And these are just basically what I'm doing is just using these as fillers to fill the space in between and around the flower. If you're new to my channel, please know that my designs are intended to be very simple, and some of them I guess are more difficult for newbies, but it's basically meant for new painters. If you have more experience, you can use the pattern as an idea starting spot. And add your own twist, of course. Again, just push your brush down, pull it up. Down, pull it up. And they don't have to be all identical. Some can be thin, some can be fat. That's just up to you. They can cross over because in life, plants are not just perfectly spaced. And I know I'm a lefty, so sometimes it's hard to see around my hand. I am definitely aware of that. And if you want, you can come back and go through and place little stems pretending to hold the leaves onto the branches. And by that I'm meaning like coming back through, and that was kind of light, but adding. But I'm going to kind of paint over some of these, so you can either wait to do this part or not do it at all, because it's not necessary. Pretty simple, and that's what it's, again, that's what it's intended to be. It's very simple so that most people can do it. Oops. Alright, so then I'm going to take my round brush, and on this I am going to stick my brush into this color first, and this is the Lagoon, or Lagoon, I'm not sure exactly how to pronounce it. And then I'm going to tip it into the lighter of the colors, which is the Patina. And then I'm going to come around here, push down, and pull towards the center. Push down, pull towards the center. Now, as I've mentioned in the past with my videos, if you want to give this some dry time so you're not picking up any of the colors from underneath, feel free to do so, because you know that might bother some people. For me, since I'm just doing this as a sample, it's not really a big deal. Again, just a very simple design. You're just pushing down on the bristles and pulling back towards the center, and then releasing, so like that. And then I'm not even going to rinse this brush out or wash it off. I'm going to go in, well, actually before I do that, I want to add a little bit more of the lighter color to these, a few of these. And then I'm going to stick it into the darker of the colors, which this is the Aqua, and still use the lighter color. Come in between and just pull it towards the center. Again, very simple. It's very pretty, using colors that are kind of similar but in different shades. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit more of the lighter color on this one just to make it stand out a little bit more, but there you have the flower. Again, pretty simple. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know down below. And I'm going to come back over the center, still tapping in the brown and the yellow, and then just kind of filling it back in a little bit. Again, if you don't want to be picking up the colors from underneath, go ahead and give it some dry time. And just, let it be like that. All right, so then what you can do is take your flat brush, and this is the number 16. Stick one side into the lime, one side into the thicket, and then just do your blending strokes. And I just chose to, on my sample, just put in some leaves where you're just doing some light wiggling on one side. And then you're coming back, doing some light wiggling and just kind of twisting your brush a little bit. Not a big deal. Do the same thing and then just come up and kind of twist it a little bit, because I'm going to come back around and do a little more. Again, I just picked up a little bit of color from the petals of the flower, which, like I said, it's not a big deal. I like it sometimes to show that. Some people may not. And you know what? I don't want to do that on the bottom. I'm going to do that on the top. Just twisting the brush a little bit. And then I'll start this one like that. And then what I'm going to do is come around here on these and then continue this on and just bring it over. Now if you don't like this look, leave it off. You're fine. And you don't have to do this on all of them. Don't have to do it at all, right? If you like just leaving them the way they were, like I said, just leave them the way they were. I just thought this was kind of a little bit of a different take to them. Oops, I put the dark on the top. That's all right. Let me switch it around here. It has a little one. Then what I'm going to do is take my liner brush. I, again, did not wash it off. I'm just going to stick it into, I think I'm going to do the white. Stick it into the white. And then just do some dotting. Around the edge where it flips over. I don't know, I kind of like adding dots, but if you're somebody who doesn't like dots, then don't add them. Pretty easy. And then around the flower, you can take the fan brush and I'm trying to think if I want to do, I'll just do some, well, trying to think what color I want to do around it. maybe do, let's see, a little bit of white. And I'm just going to pull it around just to do some sweeping, or just around the base of the flower. And this is not a fan, this is a rake brush, I'm sorry, I said fan brush, it's a rake brush. You can do it around the whole thing, or you can choose just to do it around part of it. If you want to add some dots to this too, you could, or you could just leave it alone. And let's throw some dots in here. You don't even really have to be dots, you can just be touching, just kind of putting them in here. Like that. If you want to add any other dots or whatnot through that, you can. I'm just going to leave it like this. But I hope you like this. Just very simple, just a fun little design. And I can just, now wash it off and do a different design on here if I want. So anyways, hope you like this. If you do, give me a big thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, hit that notification bell. And if you would share this with your family and friends, I would appreciate it. Until the next time, please sit back, enjoy, and listen to the light sound bath that's going on in the background. I hope you stay healthy and happy, and you have a good one. Until next time, see you then. Bye.